In the October 1st, 2013 NFIP Flood Insurance Manual changes, you will find additional guidance for buildings with additions and extensions. Let's review it now. As indicated on General Rules, page 5, the NFIP ensures additions and extensions attached to and in contact with a building by means of a rigid exterior wall, or a solid load-bearing interior wall, or a stairway, or an elevated walkway, or a roof. Now, at the insured's option, additions and extensions connected by any of these methods may be separately insured. So here's additional guidance. When insuring additions and extensions separately, an application must be submitted with required rating information specific to the addition or extension. So the application must clearly describe the addition or extension being insured. So if contents coverage is desired within the addition or extension, it must be requested on the application. So on the application, there is a new question asking, does the building have any additions or extensions? And simply check no if the building has no additions or extensions. However, check yes if the building has additions or extensions attached to and in contact with the building by means of, remember those 5 things, a rigid exterior wall, a solid load-bearing interior wall, a stairway, an elevated walkway, or a roof. So if yes, also you must complete Application Part 2, Section 1, Question number 4. Now this section of the application provides 3 options. You will need to mark one of the following. So check Building including additions and extensions if the coverage intended by this application is for both a main building and any additions or extensions on one policy. Now, if this section is left blank, coverage is presumed to include any additions and extensions discovered at the time of loss. Now, check Building excluding additions and extensions if the policy intended by this application is for a main building only, because the additions and extensions will be insured by another policy. Now, provide the policy number for the policy covering the addition or extension. Now, additions and extensions cannot be excluded from coverage on the building except by insuring them separately. Now, you want to check addition and extension only if the coverage intended by this application is for an addition or extension only. So a separate elevation certificate may be required to obtain the necessary information for rating. Now, ensure the property location box in Part 1 of this application is properly completed with a description of the addition or extension. Now, provide the policy number for the policy covering the main building.